Welcome back to Generation X.
I'm Kim.
I'm Edith, and we haven't filmed in like a week's time. We've had back-to-back events, so we do apologize if you've been looking forward to any of our videos. And then to our winners, we finally had all 3 winners give us their addresses. So thank you to them, and for all our subscribers for trying to be in the giveaway and for just watching our videos. And we are going to give, we already gave 2 of our winners their little tracking number. But we're just going to give the 3rd one now that like we got their address. We're going to ship that one off and give their tracking number also. So congratulations to all of you guys again. And sorry we haven't made any videos till now. So if you see us in back-to-back videos for like,
like maybe stockpiled with
maybe
mail.
like 5 videos where we're wearing the same like blue and blue. That's why. It's because we're doing 5 in one day. We're catching up now. So hopefully you'll have patience with us. And we're going to do Glossybox. So
okay.
Thanks for listening.
So I think I got this yesterday, I believe, this box yesterday. So some of these I got yesterday, some of them I got before that. Ugh, okay, it's all sticky. Ooh, pretty. Oh, I don't care about these things. I'm just gonna throw that. I don't care about that.
It's funny, we like wine, but
okay. So anyway, it looks like that.
It's pretty.
It's pretty. Okay, let's see what's inside. It's always the exciting part. I like how they always wrap it with like a bow. I should show that too. Try and keep it short as always though. Okay, so of course it shows you the product you're getting inside, and then it says, cheers, Glossies, the holidays are coming and our December box is certainly worthy of a toast, etc., etc.
Something about master classes, like you can get classes.
I don't usually pay too much attention to that either. So. Okay,
let's see what she got.
Alright, so the first thing I'm pulling out is Luna by Luna translucent powder.
Ooh, I like translucent powders. Powders and foundations. Powders and foundations. It's like the only makeup I wear.
Nice. Okay. Next thing is luxury lipstick, Jaffa Royal Jelly, and Hot Toddy. I won't open it just in case we end up putting it in a future giveaway. I won't open it right now. And like, I don't know.
That's funny though, the name of it.
And then Kaleido Cosmetics, Astrolight, See From Space Highlighter. That one I might want to swatch. It's hard because if it's dark colored, then I wouldn't want to keep it, but...
Well, maybe you can see what color from like, you know, opening it, see what color it is.
Like,
and Kim's getting a...
oh, okay, yeah, I'm not going to swatch that. That's going to go in a... That's going in a giveaway someday. Because
it's like
I wonder if I should... Yeah, I was like...
But Kim's getting a cold, just so you guys know, too. So she sounds a little different. Just a little bit, that's why.
And then Becca Liquid Crystal Lip Topper, Glow Gloss Citrine, and Apricot, I guess. I would put that on, but I don't know how it goes.
I don't know like a topper if it makes the lipstick not move. That's the only way I'd want something to go over.
I think it's to make it like more
shiny.
Yeah, to glow. I wonder if I could put that on. I don't know. I'll just anyway. And then the last thing I believe is Copper Plus Crane Radiance Mask. Pretty big size.
I still have like 7 masks I haven't used yet, but you know, I want to. I just haven't.
So I think that's it for Glossybox, but it seems pretty good.
Yeah, I like what you got.
Pretty decent.
And you can give away anything you don't like in our next giveaway at 200 subscribers. So don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you saw anything you like. And sorry if we went on a little longer than usual. And don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways. We're doing another one at 200 subscribers. And we'll catch you in our next video. Take care. Bye.